So we finally got this in the mail today. Okay, not exactly that, but we got this. And as you can see, the envelope is already open, but that's because this is not what I was expecting. Other people who received the card got it in this little cool box. And when it came in that box, it just made getting the card just seem more premium. And I know, I was supposed to open this on camera, but as you can see, it's just a blank envelope. Like, I had no idea that the card was even in there. But once you do open the envelope, you are finally greeted with some Robinhood branding. And it has this little message on the right hand side and the card attached on the left. So nothing really special. But really, the original purpose of this video was to showcase the physical card itself. And for myself, I really didn't know what card to get, and I was really stuck between the white and the black card. On top of that, not a lot of people got the white card, so I couldn't really gauge how it would look like in person. Also, shouts out to Aaron for letting me borrow his card. But anyways, here's the two cards. To be honest, there's really nothing special about them other than the different colors you can get them in. It really just functions like a regular debit card. Now, in the beginning, Robinhood promised 3% APY, and for a card that's really good, especially because that's more than some savings accounts. Then, when it came to release, it was 2%, but that was still pretty decent. But a couple months later, it dropped to 0.03%. To put into perspective, if you put $100 in there for a year, it will compound and you will receive, wait for it, 3 pennies. So is this card worth it? I think so, but only for one reason. That's because it's free. Now the feature it provides doesn't really apply to me because the thing that appealed to me most was that interest rate, but because that's gone, then I really don't have a use for this card. But I could see why people love the fact that you don't need to transfer your funds into your bank in order for you to have access to that money. But for me, the money I invest with is just that, the money I invest with. Unless I'm like a full-time trader or I'm making most of my money through trading, then I can understand the convenience of it. But as I said, the money I earn just goes straight back into investing, and I like to keep those funds untouched unless I'm in dire need of money. But overall, yeah, I think it's worth it. It's a nice little touch from Robinhood, and yeah, it's free. And thank you for watching this video. Now, if you found anything helpful or useful, please hit that like button. And if you like the content here, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.